Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you a busy mom, frustrated between trying to find the time and the money to spend with the family, to work that job, to do the things that you need to do, while at the same time trying to build your home based business? Well, and maybe you got to a stage where you're looking into digital marketing and you're wondering, what if a digital marketing course would be the right way for you to go building your business forward? Well, you're not alone. And in this video, I'm going to clear things up so you don't end up wasting your time or money. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. You name it, I've been there, done that, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping. I always felt like there was something missing. There was something that I just didn't get. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. Now, last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning over $1 million in just 17 months. Now, I'm learning how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide into strangers' DMs. Now, if you are thinking, okay, who is the best? Who can do a digital marketing course? Who's the best person? You could be a student like me. I'm a full-time student and I'm actually I'm studying business and marketing, but I'm actually learning digital marketing skills on the side as well. Because with digital marketing skills that I'm learning, I can learn and earn at the same time. So I could build my business while I'm studying for my degree in college, right? Now, you might be looking to switch your career. Maybe you might be looking to learn a new skill so you can get away from working for somebody else, or you can get into something that you're passionate about. Then definitely this could be for you. If you have that entrepreneurial mindset where you want to build a legacy for your family, you're sick and tired of exchanging your time for money, and there's so many situations. But let me just share my screen here, right? Because we have, let me share my screen. Okay, here. So why this is perfect for you, right? So do you want to make extra income from home, but you have no idea where to start? Like, where do I start? You need somebody to take you by the hand and walk you through step by step, right? You need a proven step-by-step blueprint. Well, if your 9-to-5 job isn't providing you the financial security and you need a better way, right? Maybe you're like me, where you're going round and round in circles, living from paycheck to paycheck. As soon as the money comes in this hand, it goes out the other hand. By the time the next pay comes in, you're back to square one again, starting all over again. Maybe you want to work from anywhere using your phone and your laptop. Maybe retirement around the corner, you need a reliable income stream. Or maybe you're a busy parent looking for flexible, family-friendly business. You want your business to work around your family schedule. Maybe you tried other opportunities but struggled to get real results. Maybe like me, you always felt like there's something missing here, right? I need to know exactly what it is. And you want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of your business, building your business. And definitely who it's not for people who expect guaranteed results without effort, right? If you're going to study anywhere, online, offline, once you get accepted, once you throw money at it, that's only the first step. The next thing is you need to show up. You need to do the work. And it's by doing the work, applying what you're learning, that you could end up seeing results, right? Nothing happens until you take action. So you have to be in that mindset where you're going to you're going to put in the work. If you're not willing to take action, people who don't want to be on video and create content. So right now here you can see I'm here on video creating content. We do have a content vault. We do have faceless content that we give to you. However, if you want to build your business faster, you have to get on camera so that you can build that relationship. Your people, your audience can look you in the eye. They can hear it in your voice. And if you don't know exactly what to say, you're going to learn exactly step by step what to say, how to say it, how to create short form video, long form videos. So definitely you have to be open to learning how to be on camera, right? Because that's going to give you an advantage over the next person. You have to be coachable, okay? Because again, you're here to learn, so you need to be coachable. People who want someone to do everything for them, you got to take responsibility. You got to have basic tech skills, or you have to be willing to follow simple step-by-step instructions. And you have to be willing to invest in your business, right? It's very simple, very straightforward. If you're going to start a business online or offline, you have to be willing to invest on it, or you invest in that business, right? So what you learn from this program that I'm on, you're going to learn things like creating like content marketing, where you're going to learn how to create content that resonates with your target audience. And you're going to learn how to build your email list. The money is in the list. Any huge corporation, successful business out there has a huge list. The bigger the list, the more money you're going to earn. You're going to learn how to use attraction marketing, how to get people to raise their hands and say, hey, they're interested in what you have to offer, and how to nurture that relationships with them. You're going to learn how to create short form video, long form video, how to go live, how to brand yourself, right? And how to get your income producing activities in 2 hours a day. So every day you're going to know, okay, this is what I need to do to build my business, right? So these are the things that you're going to learn. Let me just go ahead and share my screen. Here, share my screen again. These are the things that you're going to learn. Let's see, is a program. So this is what the program looks like. There's different packages you can get in where you fit in, but I have to log in there, so I'm not going to go in. But this is our members, this is our bonus site where we have access to live interactive coaching and mentorship. So on Tuesday, my time, there's going to be mentorship there. Another mentorship here on social media with Michelle. Need help setting your system up, and techie calls, support calls, or everything is there for you, right? In order to get access to that live interactive coaching and mentorship. Classroom is where we have some bonuses. We have 90-day runs where a multi-millionaire sends us a video every 90 days where she gives us action steps. The video is just between 5 minutes on average. So last time she's talking about how to craft a message that converts, right? And then mindset training replays, mentoring replays. We have a content vault and all this here. This is our bonus site. And lastly, this is our community. I'm just going to go to the win section, just in case you're wondering, does this work? Cheryl just shared how she got 1.6 thousand views on the YouTube video. Tanya, 14 hours ago, 1,500 in less than 24 hours. Congratulations, absolutely amazing. She goes, oh my God, I'm so grateful. As a nurse, I don't make that in a day. Lord, your daughter is grateful, and so on and so forth, right? 10K, here I come. She's has 8,500 more to go. Michelle, 22 hours ago, went ding-a-ding-ding, $300. Got my first sale today. I'm so excited. Congratulations to her. Lauren, first 600 turned into 900. I posted earlier that I woke up to 600 sale, and this afternoon it turned to an upgrade to 2.0. So somebody joined, paid 600, and then they upgraded to the $900 level. She went viral, over 1,000 followers, and 600 people went into his funnel. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations. That's my dream, to go viral one day. Scott says, Dingwa, what was that? $900 sell while putting tile in his kitchen. Alana, 29 minutes ago, $100 while keeping feast and Not sure what she means by that. Tanya, $300 while sleeping. Congratulations, Tanya, again. 600 drill. The challenge to 9K is on. She has 9,400 to go. Veronica, 16 hours ago, homeschooling mama, 2,400 in one day. Absolutely amazing. 600 upgrade, then was at Chipotle, and 900 came in, then woke up to 900. Whoa, that's absolutely amazing. Congratulations to Veronica. I'm sure she'll teach her children some ways, digital marketing skills. 5 days ago, Elizabeth made 900, and so on. Okay, so these are the kind of testimonials that we have in our program, where you get live interactive coaching and mentorship, and you learn exactly how to build your business, how to start and grow your business. So this year I'm on a mission to work really closely with 150 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, go ahead and click the link in the comment that's going to show up now, and I will deliver this to your inbox. So check your spam folder, check your promotion folder, and once you've watched the videos, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.